So in part E, we are told to consider the function p of x divided by x plus 1 divided by q of x. And in part 1, we need to find the limit as x approaches minus 1 of f of x. So, well, let's see what f of x is. So let's just plug in everything we know. So we know p of x is 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus x minus 1, and is divided by this x plus 1 times q of x, which we know is going to be which we can simplify, as we know what q of x is. So we can simply write x plus 1 times q of x, so x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Now if we plug in minus 1, we unfortunately will get 0 over 0, so that is no good. But luckily, in the very start of the question, we have found factors for p of x, so we can plug those in here. So they were x plus 1 times x plus 1 times 3x minus 1, and it's all divided by still the same thing. So we can notice that these problematic terms fall out very nicely. So this cancels out, so we're just left with 3x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So if we now plug in the limits, we will simply plug in minus 1, so minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, so this will simply be 4, like this. And then in part 2, we are told to find the limit as x approaches infinity, so again we can simply write limit as x approaches infinity of 3x minus 1. We can already write the simplified term like this. We don't need to rewrite the same thing. And we know for a rational function like this, when the largest power of x is the same on the bottom and on the top, we can simply take the ratio of their coefficients. So that will be 3 over 2.